Okay, so what we've decided to do here, this soundproofing, attempt to soundproof the floor of a kitchen from the upper apartment side. The folks downstairs weren't allowing us in to put a drop ceiling or any kind of vibration clips. So what we've done from the top side, we've applied cellulose insulation, 8 inches of cellulose insulation, packed fairly well, all throughout the floor. We're now going to come back with 3/4 plywood, and then we're going to apply a rubber mat that's going to go underneath. It's going to go on top of the subfloor, and then we're going to put our hardy board on top of that, and then we're going to apply our tile. Okay, this portion of the soundproofing project, we're going to tile this floor with a ceramic tile, and the code, or the sound engineer has suggested that we first level off the floor and then apply this resilient pad. It's recycled tires, rubber, and it's made to go between the subfloor and then the hardy board, in which we're going to tile on top of, and that will help the impact or the footfall traffic here obviously is needed.